Hello folks, today we are making pancakes. We are not just making pancakes but also learning about its regional significance, cultural importance and nutritional value. Pancakes are celebratory, a festive food considered by many to be a symbol for life. Perhaps because the bread pancake made of unleavened flour and water was the staff of life, or a dietary staple in numerous ancient civilizations. The New York Times wrote in 1990. Eaten in Ethiopia, Eritrea, and some parts of Somalia, injera, made of teff flour, is served at weddings, birthday parties, and family gatherings. Traditionally, injera is enjoyed communally, with 2 or 3 people eating from the same plate. In North India, chila, a pancake made with chickpea-based gram flour, is commonly served at weddings. Pancakes are a good source of riboflavin, iron, and calcium. In Britain and Commonwealth, they are associated with Shrove Tuesday, commonly known as Pancake Day, when historically perishable ingredients had to be used up before the fasting period of Lent.